retractable bed cover. Now this cover looks great, is super durable, with a very quiet and smooth operation. It's going to protect the contents of your bed, and the best thing is you get nearly full bed access with the touch of a button. And the drum mechanism's compact design takes up less space than any of our competitors. Built with a rugged aluminum frame and a sleek matte black finish, this cover is engineered to endure anything you throw at it. Thanks to its innovative electromagnetic brake system, you can lock the cover securely at any point along the rails. Built-in UV protection, keeping it looking brand new and preventing any fading over time. The remote key fob allows you to open or close the bed cover with just the push of a button, ensuring easy access even from a distance. Not only that, but you can control the integrated LED strip with a button on the key fob as well. Enhance your storage options with the integrated utility rail. The cover also has integrated bed rail controls, allowing you to open or close the bed cover from the side rail for added convenience and quick access. The bed cover features an auto locking function, assuring your cargo stays secure at all times. So if you're looking for the ultimate bed cover for your truck, the choice is automatic. Check out the powered retractable bed cover, available today.